welcome back to my channel. And for this week's DIY, we're gonna do another one by the brand Universe, and these are the Gelantic gel candles. So I'll have everything that it comes with, and like always, I'm gonna stop it here at the intro, read the directions, make some, and then come back to show you how to do it, so that I don't mess up. And then it comes like with the other one, it comes with a poster. I haven't even looked at this poster. Oh, this one looks so much better than the other one, because it's like a galaxy theme, but that writing at the top is kind of ugly. I guess that's to show like the stars and stuff. But yeah, I'll be right back to show you guys everything, how to do it. Okay guys, so the first part of the instruction says, it actually says it's a disposable cup, so I didn't even realize that word was in there. But we have disposable cups, and what you want to do is you want to get 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water. What I did during this whole thing, I saved 1 cup for this part, which is the 2 to 3 teaspoons of warm water, and then you add 1 teaspoon of the sodium tetraborate. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. And then the next part for step 2, you're gonna set this whole cup aside, and you're gonna get a different cup, and you want to get 2 to 3 teaspoons of warm water again, but then you're gonna pour in 2 teaspoons plus 1/4 teaspoon of the glue, and then stir it with the wooden stick, because since I've already used my spoon in here, it'll start to activate before you want it to if you use one of the things to stir everything. And then once you have your glue and stuff and your water mixed together, add in either your pink or your blue or your purple sand, and then you can add in the glitters, and then you can also add in the star beads. I didn't add them into my first one, but this is kind of cute. I tried to get it as swirly as I can to look like, you know, like the galaxy theme things. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get the 2 to 3, well, I kind of recommend, because I did 3 teaspoons for the whole thing over here, and it was a little watery, so now I'm just gonna do the 2 teaspoons to see if it makes a difference or if it's supposed to be that way. So now I'm going to add in my tetraborate, and I'm just gonna use this as my teaspoon for this. Okay, can go back in there, sir. And then I'm gonna stir it. Okay, and then I really like the purple, so I'm gonna remake the purple again for you guys, and then remake the whole, well, this is what it's gonna, I'm not gonna like do a whole thing, but because I plan this to give this away as a Christmas present to my friend's little sister. But I'm gonna get my water in here, and then I'm gonna come back to put in the glue. I'm gonna put the glue in here. I'm not really gonna measure it because I don't want to. And then I'm going to stir it. Just splash that all over me. And then I'm going to add in my color. You're going to need 4 teaspoons of color, I think. Yeah, teaspoons of color. And then mix that together. Don't be stupid like I did, because there's still the tetraborate in here. But we're going to do what this does, because I don't care. Oh, maybe I should care. Because it's not even mixing right. So I'm gonna just put the glue in here. Some glue. See, this is what happens when you don't take the time to care about direction. Put this in here. And I'm going to stir it up and see what happens. Ugh! I'm deleting that. So, I'm going to add in my color. And then I'm going to add in some glitter. I have glitter all over the table, but that's okay. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take it out of your cup with your hand. I don't want to, but because it feels nasty. But grab it with your hand. I'm going to take the little bit left over I have from the other one, and I'm going to take it out of here, and I'm going to just smush these together so that I'm not going to use up all the colors. And then if you're putting them, you don't have to specifically put them into these things, but I am. And then I just squished it in here. This is not enough, but I don't feel like remaking all the colorants and then wasting them. And then the person who I'm going to give it to is not going to have any to use. But yeah, what you do is you just turn on the light and you're done. Like always, if you think I did something wrong, tell me in the comments. But remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.